Video demonstrate how to use the front cover of the Quickfinder. I'm going to zoom in. And some of the more important items on the Quickfinder cover that I find myself using is the tax tables right over here. And normally it's during tax planning process that the client says, I'm going to add additional, say, $20,000 of income. How is that going to affect me? What kind of taxes are I'm going to owe? So I'm able to look here and see what tax bracket they're going to be in. And then a lot of times, if they owe money, I can actually just show them the front cover of the Quickfinder and show them now what tax bracket they went into. And that typically answers a lot of their questions because they're used to carrying the tax table that they're in. Another area that I find myself going to a lot is down at the bottom here under the phase outs. So as their income goes up, a lot of times some of their credits or deductions are reduced or eliminated. And most of the time it's because of these phase outs. So say, for example, lifetime learning credit for education, married filing joint, you can see at 110 the phase out begins, at 130 they're not eligible for that credit anymore. So a lot of times I will just use this book and I'll actually show the client, if they're in front of me, that now they made too much money and so now they're not eligible for certain credits or deductions. So this is a very helpful tool. It's also helpful on the phone if a client, again, if they, for tax planning purposes, if they add in additional income, and you can see how that may affect certain credits as they get phased out. So other things I can point out on here is the standard deduction. Right here, sometimes we refer to that. And we also have earned income credit. But for the most part, what I find myself is going to the tax table and going to the phase outs right down here. Thank you.